He kune backlash ke ngoku. I-backlash against abantu abangakuthi. I am not condoning ke i-abuse eyenzekayo nayo yonke nje lento eyenzekayo. I'm not condoning it. It is not right. But ke bantu bangakuthi ngicela inyani ibuyele ngako. Yabona masike siyihlalise nje ibe sobala icace. Yabona uba Ncimandane atheka ke I'm sorry. Andithi ayincengane. But ngifuna ungixelela inyani. Thina asithanda ukuziqalela yethu into. Sibambelele kuyo. Aya. Funeke nje into established. Sibe sesayibambelela ke ngoku sibe sesiclaim ngathi yethu. That is the truth about us. I-ANC ayizange iqalwe Eastern Cape. ANC yaqalwa kwaZulu Natal. From scratch yaqalwa kwa KZN. So do not claim uba i-ANC ngese Eastern Cape. Azange iqalwe nguMandela, zange iqalwe nguOliver Tambo, zange iqalwe ngoWinnie. Yaqalwa back in 1900s. Tata I think unestrato nje sikhulu phaya. Andanoma ngoWest Street noma ngoSmith Street kuthiwa ngutata uPixley Kasem. That he was a founder of the ANC from KwaZulu Natal. Oliver Tambo babantwana kwi-ANC. Mandela babantwana kwi-ANC. Winnie babantwana kwi-ANC. Ba recognized because they were under the liberation movement and they were fighting the same cause. So ungathi ke you are loyal because of that. You cannot be loyal uba uthi cima uclaim uthi into yase Eastern Cape. It's not. Awuzame enye into ozobambelela kuyo. Yayibona? We're not fighting against our rights okuvota Eastern Cape. Everyone has a right to choose. But ingxakile uba sivanina the whole year, the whole 5 years sobe sivanina. Uba hayi msasazi ndathi, hayi msasazi ndifike khona ihagu, hayi kunuka ikaka, amanzi atheni. Uyayibona? Ndifike khona ihagu apha emgwaqweni emanzini apha ndikha khona amanzi ndokha khona amanzi ngoku andikwazi ukha amanzi funeka uyilinde ke la hagu yenze ishayo number 2 wayo igqibe, then xa sigqibile uyinike ichance iphuze xa ifuna uphuza, and then when it's done we deserve it. It's our choice mos. We love that condition. Siyayithanda lanto. We love it. And we love it. We love it for our children. We love it for ourselves. That's why we make this decision. It's informed. The time you have your back up, it's because you like into indlela ophila ngayo. Ayizange i-ANC ivulwe Eastern Cape, yavulwa apha kwaZulu Natal. So xa uzo mhlawumbe attack okanye harass umuntu waZulu Natal because uchoose ukupromote omnye and then uthi ubalekela i-ANC because of tribe. No, it's not about that. Kusho uthi now support i-tribe yabo ke because i-ANC yakwaZulu phela. Why ningazange nisupport uHolomisa? Uyasebenza uHolomisa pha eParliament. Nike nimnike i-chance kulo province ube nguye olidayo. Ubambelele entwenini. We must give credit where it's due. ANC has great policies in the constitution. Yabona indaba kwaSASSA, abantwana, abantu abadala, nokokhelwa izindlu. That on its own is great. There is no country that matches those policies for abantu base South Africa. Health, I mean ndingagula ngoku okanye kwenzeke noba intoni kum, I will get, whether I have money or not, I will get help under the South African Constitution. But kwamanye ama-countries that's not the case. Ndizoncedwa bese kuthiwa ndiyakweleta. Yabona? But those things, they will not be changed because kungenye administrator. Into esiyilwelayo ba ma-administer omunye umuntu because ngoku aba bantu babizana ngama-comrades. Umuntu unikwa itender ka-10 rand kuthiwe makahamba ayokwakha umgwaqo endaweni ethile, makahamba okwakha izindlu endaweni ethile, anikwe 10 rand. Yena uzozithathela u-8 rand. Ngo-2 rand abamba patanise ungaphumi nix ashiye phansi and akabuzwa nix kubani. And then nina nivotela londo. Yabona? Nivotela into enjalo. Ungaphikisa ke xothanda ukuphikisa, but we're not originators. Yabona indlela enenza ngayo ngalento ye-ANC kufana nomuntu oku-relationship yedwa uyazazi futhi uba bafumana ama-benefits akadibani nalo muntu uyi-relationship ngegama akathandwa nje. Uyabona? Noba angenzani, noba ngaziprova kanjani, noba ngathina beloyal kanjani, athi hayi no mina ndino 20 years nalo muntu unenhlelile, but une stress uyedwa. So nina nifana lonto nalo muntu kanjalo, and you ask yourself ukuthi all these years uhlalela ukuthi what are you getting from it? You're not getting anything. Uhlalela igama le relationship, uhlalela igama loba you're loyal to ANC but you're not benefiting. We are complaining every day about you're not benefiting, yet you still stay there. So ningabahlaseli kabanye ama-province, and Eastern Cape ihlaselwa because of bathanda ucomplain. Umuntu ohamba phambili i-province ehamba phambili kwi-ANC, I believe it's Limpopo, but i-backlash ayiye Limpopo because awusoze uve umuntu waseLimpopo ethi hayibo naku kwathini umsasazi, naku kwathini andani noba uthini umsasazi in language yaseLimpopo. In Tsonga lazi umsasazi ubizwa ngantoni, because umsasazi waziwa everywhere nje eSouth Africa because thina soloko sisasaza umsasazi kwathini complain sikhalazele mase service delivery. That's why we're facing this backlash. So the next voting time, it will be 2029. I believe we're still gonna choose the ANC, but was beku wakho phaya uba uvotela organization yaKwaZulu Natal. Unfortunately, organization yaqala la KwaZulu Natal. So ne andiko tribalist nganithu kuthini, but I'm not, I'm just telling you the truth. Uba ubambelele into enengiyiyo. If ubambelele uba yase Eastern Cape just because kusecurate abantu base Eastern Cape ba abantu base Eastern Cape akubabo bonke futhi abavotele iANC, because njengoba kubala amavoti apha amavoti abaliwe KZN ngafumanisa wakhona abantu abase Eastern Cape abavotele iMK just like me. Okwazi ukuthi khona abantu bakona bagcwele emjondolo uhambe uyovotela iANC use Eastern Cape. Why ungavoteli iparty right so that sikwazi ukubuyela ngapha? Because sithe sigcwele imjondolo kalo akugcwalanga abantu base KZN emjondolo, ukugcwele thina. Ungaqala phethokweni ude uyofika eShaka unyukele ezimobeni uthini sithi it's not people from here, amampondo. Andisho ba amampondo alapha avotele iANC because ba countelwa under KZN. But nina why ningayenzi conditions, nina enilapha eEastern Cape nenzi conditions basikwazi ukubuya singabe sicela emijondolo. Hayi bahlala, hayi. I'm sad. I am sad. Aniziqaleleni enye into. Xa ningamfuna ulomisa ziqaleleni, not ANC. ANC yafana ne-MK yalapha kwaZulu. Ayiyo yenu. Ayiyo yethu. Bye.